like, yo, you didn't know, say, the L tip you now go normally goes, yo, listen, only three organs you have to worry about if you want to live a long age, very, very long age, and that is your liver, your kidney, and your colon. Let me put them respectively. Colon, number one, liver, we remove things, and kidney. When you develop as a human, if your kidney weak, any one of your kidney smaller, they side they affected with any form of side effect. We have a dandelion coffee. Yo, this is from the dandelion plant in Jamaica, and I can tell you, say, this work on the three organ, one plant. This is from the bean of the dandelion. We grind the bean and have in a drink form. We are also good for insomnia. You also good for caffeine addiction. So you can substitute it for coffee. See it here. All I directive depend on the back of it how to make a tea. Very strong. I just want a little bit, not even a teaspoon or a tablespoon, or a little bit that too strong that go make it bitter. Yo, you never go find one product better than this. We are selling cheap as biscuit. This is for 3.5 in Jamaica. And if you want it online, the link is below. You understand? Dandelion coffee. Come on now with me, no man. Come on, no man. Yo, people, come with me, no man. Come drinks. Yo, from here the voice, man, you know, say a knowledge of the true virgin. Yo, people, may I introduce something to you. This product that I'm selling is called the dandelion coffee. Yes, I made it from the bean of the dandelion, and it's in a powdered form. Smell very strong like coffee and have similar taste. But you know what this do? This clean and detoxify the kidney, the liver, replenish the gallbladder, and it also is a natural immunizer. And you want to know the big bonus in number 5? It helps with people who have sleeping disorder, same thing we call insomnia, the word there. So yo, listen to me, we have it right now locally here in Jamaica. Just send me a messenger or a text. Yeah, a private message if you're in Jamaica, but if you're overseas, it's also available for you at my website, you know, KTV Herbal Remedies on Etsy. See the link below. Yo, if you think this is normal, you're not only drinking a tea, very powerful dandelion coffee. Yo, a knowledgeable true virgin upon the motivational train. For more inspiration like this, check out my new book, Earth. Earth. It's on Amazon, and also you can send me a private message. I'll sell you one here in Jamaica. Anywhere you are at in the 14 parishes, I'll deliver it straight to you through Knoxford Express. Peace and light. Yo, I am not pure, but I am the cure. Boom. Yeah, man, for more inspiration like this, check out my new book on Amazon, Earth, Book 1, and also locally here in Jamaica. Yeah, man, stay tuned. Close line, who can wear it best? You will be getting a prize, a herbal package prize. Hold that.